M0FXB, here we are. We're going to start doing some Morse practice. So like I said, I'm practicing, so you're going to hear plenty of mistakes. We're using the Xiegu just to listen, really. It's in CW training mode, so there's no TX, and we're using the bencher BY1 Chicago paddle. So let's just start off with some basics. So let's do Xiegu. And then we'll do my call sign. We could do the word like ham diary here. So we'll go like so. Let's just do some random words. So we'll do the. That's the. Let's do animals. Let's do sheep. That's sheep. Let's do cow. That's C-O-W. Let's do pig. P-I-G. Let's do try and do a sentence. I am new, so we'll do the pig and the cow. So we'll go so start again. T-H-E space. Then we'll go pig. And is and. The pig and then the 4 dots for the H, E, and the cow. So and then W. So my problem is I'm trying to string it together and not get lost in my mind. So we'll go try and do it. I'm going to try and do it without talking the whole sentence. So I think that was right, the pig and the cow. My part of what I'm having difficulties is when I hear it on the radio, my brain isn't deciphering it as very quickly, even if it's quite slow. So it's just practice. So let's keep picking words. We've done some animals. Let's do dog. That's dog. Let's do a longer word. Let's do musical. Sorry. There you are, musical. So let's go through. I'm not looking at a pad here. It's all from my mind because it's the only way you're going to learn is to remember everything. So let's do my call sign again, which I find my actual call sign quite hard. I don't really know why. And then the name of my channel, Ham Diary. And then as an interesting one, getting Q and Y mixed up. I don't do that as often now, but I used to do that a lot. So, right, we're just putting the kettle on. So let's do kettle. So, no, let's see. So, K, E, T, T, L. Is it 2 L's? Probably. E. And then we're going to have a cup of tea. So, T, then E. Quite an easy one. Oh, we've got the A. A and N, they're like opposite. So there's A, N. And it's like U is U. That's U. And then D is the opposite. So you go, sorry, that's how I sort of remember that one. So Y and Q are similar, D and U are similar. There are other ones similar, but there's also the ones to learn that are easy to remember, like S, 3 dots. That's an easy one to remember. And O, like SOS, you know. What I found, start learning the easy ones first. Get them in your mind so you can't really forget them. Like T, for example. It's just an M. M for mother. That's easy to remember. I did find the numbers quite easy to remember, but I found them easy to remember visually first. Because, for example, number 1 is... So think of 5 characters. So number 1, and then 4 flat lines. Well, number 2 is just 2 dots and 3 flat lines, and so on. So 3, and then when you get to 5, it's 5 dots. Yeah, and then it starts to go the other way. So 6 is a flat line, and then 4 dots. 7, 2 flat lines, 3 dots. Obviously, getting used to the paddle takes a bit of time, but not too much. So we've got this. Let's look around the room. We've got a coat in front of me, so we'll go C, O, A, sorry, T. And then there's a flower pot in front of me, so flower, F. Now the letter F is very similar to L. So here's F, and then L is... So you can get them mixed up. I did when I was learning, but eventually I remembered by remembering that if you imagine seeing an F, well, there's 2 lines at the top, isn't there? So I go, right, okay, that's F first, 2 dits first, then a straight line on the side. So that's how I remember F. And then L, I just remembered it's not the one with 2 dots. So I just go, I remember that the dots are at the end. V is another classic one. It's the Beethoven song. Du, 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 du. Sorry. That's that. So going through the alphabet, like Z is, I think, is an easy one to remember because it's just, sorry. So I remember that at the end of the alphabet, it's just X. I imagine 2 little dots as eyes. So you go, so da di di da, or flat line, 2 dots and a da. To me, that's 2 little eyes. And then P is the opposite. So it's 2 closed eyes. So dot, da, da, dot. Sorry. Right. So this is how I sort of learn. Now this is called a bencher. So B is... Sorry. So to me, a B is like the opposite of J, because J is... So I always put J and B together, you know? So there's J. And then so B. And then E, for it's called a bencher. A dot, then N, C, H, E, R. So try and do that without stopping. See, so I'm still very early on, but we're getting there now. The word Chicago, because this is a Chicago bencher. So we'll go. Sorry. See the mistakes? That's an A, G. Let's do it again. Still made a mistake there, so. Sorry. There you are, Chicago. So that's how I practice. I try and do at least, I know it doesn't sound a lot, at least half an hour a day. And then you just get there eventually. So let's do a call sign again. See, I made a mistake, so start again. M0FXB space HAM. M0FXB, ham, and then it's DIAR. Let's try and do the whole lot without stopping. Here you are, ham, M0FXB, ham radio, ham diary. If we want to do the word radio, it's R-A-D-I-O. Do that again. R-A-D-I-O. So there you go. Just keep practicing, keep trying. Thanks for watching my channel. Please like and subscribe. Catch you on air, 7-3. Have a quick listen, see if anyone's on HF. My daughter's got her LED lights on, of course. I normally can still squeeze a few stations from that. I'm sure the conditions are fine. It's my daughter's LEDs. Yeah, I can hear someone there. If I turn those LEDs off, we'd hear someone. Let's try 20. It tends to be a bit better. Yeah, there's some activity there. So yeah, as the signal changes, that's people in my house. That's why I tend to, well, I come on when everyone's gone.
You can access from my page Italy 5 Yankee Zulu Zulu. 73 Mr. Raymond.
We haven't done the tuner. Let's try the tuner. 5 watts. See those big yellow lines? LED.
Bravo, Zulu. Mexico 7, bravo, Zulu. Mr. Norma, good afternoon to you, over.
There you go, and if we turn the filter on, it does improve the audio. It's a bit watery. Anyway, 7-3, thanks for watching, all the best.